Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are G02-T15 from Software Engineering Lab, and these are our team members. From me as a project manager, Wan Muhammad Haziq bin Alwi, and we have Afiq, Norman, Chung, Saiful, and also Kalish as our members. Now, let's get to the abstract session. So our project is titled Catering Management Application for Aline's Grab Foodie. It is developed for Puan Azlin binti Muhammad Rizwan, the owner of a home-based catering business called Aline's Grab Foodie. So this project aims to help her manage her catering operations more efficiently by providing an all-in-one system for booking management, menu planning, staff assignments, and also invoice generation. Currently, One Azling uses several different platforms such as calendars, invoice maker apps, and WhatsApp messages to handle her orders and communications with customers. While this approach works for her, it can be time consuming and sometimes leads to miscommunications or overlapping bookings. Our goal is to combine all these functions into a single, easy to use mobile application that simplifies her workflow, reduces manual effort, and also improve overall service quality for both the caterer and her customers. Now let's talk about Aline's Grab Foodie. They started during COVID-19 pandemic when Puan Azlan began taking small baking orders from her home. As her reputation grew, she expanded into full catering services, handling events and also production teams and private functions. Her business offers both buffet and also takeaway options and is well known for its personalized service and flexible menus that cater to customer preferences, allergies, and also budgets. Most of her customers are loyal, returning clients while new ones often come through words of mouth. Even though her business has grown, she still manages most tasks manually. By digitalizing her daily operations with our app, Aileen's Grab Foodie will be able to work faster, track bookings more accurately, and maintain the high level of service that her customers value. Now, most importantly, who are the developers behind this project? So, as Chung.co, our team has stayed together since the very beginning of our software engineering journey. We have supported one another through every project, learning new skills and growing together as developers. Over time, we've built strong trust, communication, and teamwork, qualities that help us work effectively and solve problems quickly. Each one of us is passionate about coding and software development, and we always strive to deliver high quality, reliable solutions. With our unity, experience, and dedication, we truly believe that we are the right team to develop a reliable and efficient catering management application for Aline's Grab Foodie. Now let's talk about the problem statement. The client, a home-based caterer, currently manages her operations using separate tools such as calendars, WhatsApp messages, and an invoice making app, which makes tracking bookings and communicating with clients inefficient. This manual process often leads to errors such as overbooking, repeated data entry, and increased administrative workload. To solve these issues, this project proposes a catering management application that centralizes booking, scheduling, menu planning, and also invoicing in one system, supported by an AI-assisted scheduling feature to prevent conflict and improve overall business efficiency.
So, for project perspective and scopes, firstly, the project scope. This project will develop a mobile first catering management application for small catering business, which is Alin's Grab Foodies operations, which we will be centralizing its core functions such as the booking and then the menu planning as well as the invoicing, and we also include some AI powered scheduling assistant while also excluding external payment gateway integration and web access in the current phase. Also, for the project perspective, this app we we saw that it will serve as a single and professional mobile solution for Android as well as iOS users. And from this application, it will reduce administrative overhead as well as ensure data integrity via a secure data cloud backend, and we will deliver measurable business benefits through a user-centered development approach. So for our objectives for this project is basically by following the basic SDS process phase, which is the first thing first, we are planning and analysis our user needs, and then we design a user-friendly interface from their needs. And then we will build it by coding using our own softwares, and then we will be testing it by giving it to some tested local people, and then they will give us some user acceptance tests, which we will be improving based on that. And then we will be deploying a stable and then an accessible system as well as the databases. And then we will be having regular maintenance to basically keep it in check.
We move on to the app features, which includes booking management system that helps our client in managing their booking for each customer. The client database, which keeps all of the customers' information for our client. The quotation and invoice generator, which generates the receipts and invoice for our client's customer and their catering services. An AI scheduling assistant, which helps with the scheduling and blocking for the booking management system. Next, we got menu planning tool, which helps ease the process of planning meals for our client to their customers. And then we got real-time notification, which gives out alert and notification to our client possible users and their staffs. And then we got task and staff assignment tracker, which help tracks assignment and also delegates tasks towards the staff. And then lastly, we got referral and networking feature, which can assist in referencing other caterers for our client.
For system design and technology overview, we will be following a three-layer architecture which uses Flutter for Android and iOS, which is for the front end and the back end. And then we will be storing the databases in the cloud Firestore. And for the designing, we will be using the Figma.
For our project, we chose the Agile software development methodology, specifically the Scrum. We selected Scrum because it promotes flexibility, teamwork, and continuous improvement, which are important for our client, Puan Azlin, since her catering business often changes based on event needs. Scrum also allows the client to test features early, like the booking or invoice modules, and provide feedback immediately. This helps our team improve the system continuously, and ensure it truly fits our real business needs. The Scrum process in our project is divided into three main phases. The first phase is planning, where we identify project goals, define system requirements, and design the overall structure. The second phase is development, which is the longest and most active stage. During this phase, we apply the Scrum framework through several sprints, where each sprint focuses on developing specific app modules, such as booking, invoicing, or notifications. The final phase is project closure, where we all finalize remaining work, prepare documents like the user manual, review our performance, and deliver the completed app to the client. The Scrum framework guides how our team works during the development phase. It begins with the product backlog, which lists all features and requirements of the app. Then we move to sprint planning, where the team selects which features to develop in the current sprint. During sprint execution, the developer, the designers, and tester collaborate to build and test the chosen modules. Every day, we will hold a short daily Scrum meeting to track progress and solve issues quickly. At the end of each sprint, we conduct a sprint review where we present the results to the client for feedback, followed by a sprint retrospective where the team reflects on what to improve next. Each sprint ends with an increment, a usable version of the app that includes completed features and is ready for the client testing.
Next is our team's and role contribution. Our team is made up of 6 members, each with specific responsibilities that contribute to overall success of the project. One Muhammad Hazik, our project manager, leads team meeting, make key decisions, and manage the project scope and ensures the final product is delivered successfully. Next is Norman Yusuf, our process manager, which prepares the Gantt chart, set deadlines, and monitor the team's overall progress and performance. Next, myself, I am Afiq Zarfan, the test manager. I design and run all the testing processes, including unit integration and users acceptance tests, and record bugs for fixes. Next is our quality manager Chung Lik Chen that checks all documents for formatting and grammar, ensures APA compliances, and reviews the code for quality before testing. Next is Muhammad Saifu, the implementation manager, oversees the system architecture, assigns coding tasks, and ensures smooth integration of all modules. Last but not least, Muhammad Kalish Reza, our lead programmer, develops the core system components such as the AI model, backend APIs, and all the necessary database connection to ensure our project is well organized, efficient, and meet professional standard. Thank you.
Next, I'll explain our team goals. Each member in our group has a specific managerial role that makes sure that the project runs smoothly and meets its objectives. Our project manager oversees the whole process, ensures good communication, and keeps the project on track. The planning manager organizes the schedule, assigns tasks, and manages resources efficiently. The quality manager checks that all documents, designs, and code meet the required standards. Next, our test manager creates and conducts testing to ensure that the system works properly and meets the user expectation. In addition, our interface manager focuses on making the app's design simple, attractive, and easy to use. Lastly, the programmer develops the main features and ensures the system runs smoothly and securely. Together, these roles help us complete the project on time and maintain quality to deliver a reliable catering management system.
So the timeline for our project is divided into two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 includes the proposal submission as well as the initial report and the demo 1. And we are expecting to finish the demo 2 by start by early of December and then end it by in the middle of the January next year, which includes the final report, the demo, the final demo, as well as the e-archive.